If you are tired of being broke student, I get you. I know, I was there. If you have one income and you want to multiply your sources of income, or probably you have a lot of income and you just want an extra one, don't worry, I got you. Disclaimer: that is not a fast money making machine where you think you're gonna make money fast and be a millionaire in one day. No, this is something that's based on your consistency, your hard work. Karibuni, Amakuru, Karibuni. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press that little belly thing down there so you're notified every time I drop a new video. And if you're a regular subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel, rats. So if you are tired of being broke student, I get you. I know, I was there. If you have one income and you want to multiply your sources of income, or probably you have a lot of income and you just want an extra one, don't worry, I got you. Today we're going to be talking about finances, how to get yourself passive income. Yeah, very easy. If you are located in South Africa only, I'm so sorry for all my audiences that are out of South Africa. I'll make more videos for those people that are not located in South Africa and you guys want to make cash. Come on, is it a crime to make money? No, guys, just make sure you subscribe. Today's company is located in South Africa, right? So that's why it's advantageous for people who are in South Africa or citizens. You get it. So let's talk more about it. Today's app is M4Gem. I don't know if you guys have heard it, but I heard it from our one and only guru, BA Pusher and Tino Sparks. I really like the content. You can check it out. M4Gem app shows people potential of making money through the app. Yeah, I can go to any restaurant and I can get cash into my account because of this app. Interesting, yeah? The only thing that you need to do is make sure when you go to the app, I'm going to insert a clip. When you are applying, log in, put the correct location. I cannot stress this enough. Put the correct location. By the way, hold up. I see you guys. I see you. 70% of you that just watch my content and don't subscribe. I thank you for the 29%, you guys. 29, something. You are amazing. Thank you so much. And for the 70%, I see you. I'm watching you. Huh? It's free now. It's free to subscribe. You know what? I'm going to pause and wait. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. It helps the channel. Through you putting your location correctly, they'll be able to assign jobs that are around your area. And if it happens that you've been, you applied and you're not getting jobs, that's probably because one, you didn't put the proper location, or two, there are little jobs around your area. Hold on, they are going to get jobs for you. So just calm down. As soon as they get jobs, they're just going to notify you. You get it? Yeah. Out of all these online, apps, working apps, this is the only or more the only app that pays directly to your bank account. You do not need a PayPal account. This is amazing. And if you don't have a bank account, don't worry, they got you covered. You can withdraw your money at any ShopRite, Checkers, or supermarket. So it's advantageous to everybody. Anyone can start making money with this app, literally from 200 upwards a day. Disclaimer: that is not a fast money making machine where you think you're gonna make money fast and be a millionaire in one day. No, this is something that's based on your consistency, your hard work. Keep searching for jobs around you. Before you go to these establishments, I'd advise you, there is a form that they give you as proof before you go there, so that if it happens that they question you, when you go request, you literally go to the establishment, you request the manager, ask questions. So if it happens the manager is a bit hard-headed, sometimes things be like that, Charlie, you just show them proof of The M for jam statements that you are just trying to work. But if you have a car, it's more advantageous for you. You can just put petrol, head off to the location. But if you do not have a car, let's just take a taxi to the location. So literally, this is the app. I would love each and every one of you to try it out for yourself, and I would love to see each and every one of you happy and making that money. You get it. See you guys in my next video.